In the midst of the Trump administration's and DOJ's assault on the federal bureaucracy, one very specific target has been obscured: the people who collect and share data. So what happens when the government stops tracking or sharing information on everything from the leading causes of childhood mortality to mental health treatment for adults to deportations? Well, agency by agency, the government is losing its capacity to measure how American society is functioning, and that makes it a lot harder for officials to gauge the problems we're facing as a country and the effectiveness of the solutions being deployed against them. And this is happening even when the data supports the administration's claims. For example, President Donald Trump has repeatedly cited the past decade's surge in fentanyl addiction as an argument for tougher border enforcement. The team at the Department of Health and Human Services that tracked those trends was laid off. The administration has also been able to argue that Democrat-led states showed greater drops in student achievement in districts that stayed closed longer during COVID-19 because there was nationwide data, the nation's report card, that proved it. As one data set after another falls by the wayside, policymakers all over the country are losing their ability to make evidence-based decisions, and the public is losing their ability to hold them accountable for their results. The CDC has eviscerated divisions that oversee the database on accidental deaths and injuries, including fatal shootings, poisonings, and car accidents. The EPA is planning to stop requiring industrial facilities to measure and report their greenhouse gas emissions. And the Office of Homeland Security Statistics has yet to update its monthly tallies on deportations, making it difficult to judge Trump's crackdown. In one concrete example of ceasing to measure, the National Weather Service has been forced to reduce weather balloon launches, which improve forecasting by gathering second-to-second data on everything from temperature to humidity to atmospheric pressure. Even if a future administration tries to resurrect some of these efforts, the 2025 to 2029 hiatus will make trends harder to identify and understand. Who knows if the country will be able to rebuild some of that measurement capacity in the future. For now, the loss is incalculable. To read more about the Trump administration's war on measuring, go to ProPublica.org or click on the link in bio.